Can you even see this? What am I doing here? I'm like 8 feet tall in the video, and in real life I'm like a smidge midge. Come on, man. This is why I don't do this shit. This is just taking a whole other turn here. Oh, come on. Get out of your own way, dude. I thank God that I'm not an actual YouTuber. Am I supposed to like crouch? How do you film like this? Oh man. Well, we're just gonna have to roll with it. Nothing makes sense, but we're just gonna have to roll with it because it's just not, it's gonna go all downhill from here. I can tell. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today we're experimenting here. Every other video I have this light on. I'm gonna show you. And I feel like it's not flattering, and it actually hurts the eyeballs. So I'm actually gonna literally have to stand with my legs spread like this, just to let you know what I have to go through here. This is actually a serious situation. You should appreciate this for the 5 people that watch these videos. And if you don't, it's fine. It is what it is. So this is what we got going on here today. It's a Glovebox detail day. It's actually a mini video day if my mic works and everything is, you know, feng shui in here. That doesn't happen often. Things don't feng shui often here. So I don't get Saturdays like this. We're not going to the zoo until 6 p.m. So what do I got here? I've got time. Time is a very valuable and precious situation here, and I want to make sure I utilize it to the best of my abilities. And I've got things to film. We've got places to be. Not right now. At 6 p.m. I do. But now we're going to be doing this. What is this? Glovebox detail. It came. Is it dented? My post office guy smushed it a little bit, but we're okay. What did I do? I didn't open it. That's what I didn't do. I did remove my credentials, my address. Some of you really want to meet me. Some of you want to punch me in the face. Whatever it is, I love you no matter what. But what we're going to do is we're going to slicey, dicey. And we're going to get this open. And then we're going to properly place the blade that we just used to slicey, dicey somewhere else so we don't get smushed with that. As always, what I recommend you guys understand is this is an unboxing. Now that the weather's starting to make a turn for the better, I can't even say that with a straight face, actually. We're getting littered with pollen and rain, and it comes back and forth. So now you got to cover 1 pound of pollen on the car. Then the rain comes and wipes off about half a pound of pollen, and then the sun comes out and dries the other remaining half a pound of now wet, muddy pollen on the car. So now you've got pollen water spots that are getting baked back into the paint with the sun re-emerging, saying, "Ha!" like that. Like an aggressive ha, though. Like I did it not aggressively, but it went, "Ah!" like that. Scared the hell out of my paint. And then my paint goes, water spot. So that's what we got going on. Pollen spot. It's a pollen spot. This is a box that Glovebox said that they're, I guess, doing with Chicago Auto Pro. Is it this box? So this box is a takeover, actually, by Pure EST, Purist. It's a takeover. Oh, he's an avid petrol head. Wait. So he's calling himself a petrol head. That's usually what the UK or overseas type folk do, but this is a Purist USA, so maybe this wasn't developed here. I don't know much about it. We'll figure that out. As you know, I just kind of wing everything. So I'm going to have to get close here to show you bottles. This is bottle number 1. This is protection and gloss. It says using a wet surface for quick and easy coating. Okay, so this is going to be one of those products that we're just going to use kind of like Geon wet coat, I guess. You're going to clean the vehicle, make sure the surface is prepped. Oh, it is made in Sweden. So even though it's Purist USA, that's where the petrol head came in. Makes sense, right? So this is going to be one of those products where we kind of just spray onto an already clean surface and then do a hosey-dozy off, and then all of a sudden we've got a, oh, this will leave you with a nice gloss and protection to the paint. Okay, cool. Purist. I never heard about this brand. You know, Glovebox isn't going to just pull some willy-nilly junk on us here, okay? You do get what you pay for. But you know what I like though? 5 minutes ago, I didn't know about this product. And now I know about this product. I know about this brand. And what I'm gonna end up doing is looking into this brand. That's the point of the box, made in Sweden. So this is a pH neutral shampoo. I'm all about the pH neutral shampoos, even though, you know, if you wanna get to a little bit more of the alkaline and acidic type things, there are definitely needs, desires, and fulfillments. So pH neutral shampoo is gentle on your coated surface, will not dissolve your coating. So it's cool. A big ass cum bubble just popped up out of that thing. So we're gonna end up doing that. Here's a sprayer. What else do we got? Oh, there's another product. I'll be goddamned. Wheel cleaner and iron remover. Let's go back in here. I didn't show you the other bottle. Hold on. I gotta show you what the bottles look like. What am I, a dope? This is what the bottle looks like. This is called S3. And then what the hell is this one called? I guess they were clonking together. Okay, this is P1. This is S3. So what do we got going on here? W1. Is there multiple numbers? I'm gonna have to research the product line. I don't know what the hell any of these numbers mean. I'm guessing W means wheel. S is soap, shampoo, P for protection. I don't know. I'm just winging it here. You know what I'm saying? This is, as we just said, the third product. This is wheel cleaner and iron remover. I don't even need to smell this because I know it's going to smell like butt cheeks and farts, but I'm going to have to give it a whiff. Yep, butt cheeks and farts. God damn. Iron removers go hand in hand with the wheel cleaners, which you got like the Magic Wheel Cleaner, the Coach Chemis, and all these other good things. Perfect Wheel Cleaner removes iron and brake dust. I will give this a shot because obviously you can never go wrong with wheel cleaners. They are kind of expensive. The wheel cleaners that have the iron remover in them do tend to get on the pricey side because you're getting double the product. So you're getting two things in one, 2 for 1. Let's see what we got here. We probably have at least one thing in common. We both love a clean vehicle. Thank you so much for your support in our products. This is what the bag looks like. What's in the bag? What's in the box and what's in the bag? Okay. Oh, see, that's fancy. Can you see that? They have it like embroidered in there. Not embroidered. What am I, an idiot? It looks like maybe it's ironed in there. I don't know how it's in there. I'm kind of hoping that it's not gonna. All right, it feels soft. Does it come off if we rub it? I don't know. But it's one of those fluffy duffs. Hit or miss with these types of towels. I know a lot of people like them. For me, I've had issues with them linting in the past. So obviously, first step to make sure that doesn't happen as much, you're gonna wanna end up washing this thing first before you use it. Obviously, you should do that with all microfiber towels you get, but this is definitely a necessity for this. And I think there's one more plus a sprayer. Get that out of here. Same thing with the box. Okay. So this is gonna be a wash mitt. Not a pad, it's a mitt. We're gonna get our hands up in there and check. So it's got some softness in there. Oh man, this looks a little perverted. Whoa, check it out. Okay, this is definitely, this gives off almost like McGuire's vibes, but feels nice, feels soft. I would definitely consider using this. This doesn't seem like it's gonna be a big thing. And it's got their name on it, Purist. So definitely, you get a quality wash mitt. You get a towel, like I said, listen, I'm very biased when it comes to these towels. I'm not really a huge fan of these super thick towels. I am a huge fan of the GSMs that are in the 500s and under. Anytime it starts getting past the 600s, I think it just gets into too thick of a territory. I know some people will disagree with that, but if you want a thicker towel, that's where folding comes in. Obviously, if you're gonna take this towel like this and you're going to touch it directly to the paint, no matter how thick this towel is, it is now thinner by default. But you take even a 300 GSM or 320 or whatever you got, 350, 360s, whatever random number some of these people are tossing out. Klin Microfibers are talking about how they have their GSM is different than other people's GSM. It's like you go to buy shoes somewhere, that size is different than another size. This shop, you're a large, in this shop you're an XL in t-shirts. It's all over the place. So you got to just go by feel and use and quality. Typically what I tend to do when it comes to microfibers is I try to stay into the Korean type microfiber. That's just the one I've had the best use with. I don't know if it's even going to say it on this container here. So it's not going to say it. The website might say whether it's a Korean type microfiber or not, but it looks like it's got, so it's an edgeless towel. But like I said, when you want to fold, you fold, you fold, you fold, and now it's a thicker towel. So when I'm putting my hand on the paint, now, sorry about that, like mid-sentence, the camera just said, oh, your SD card's filled. Apparently my dopiness just forgot to delete the last whatever, and that's why I bring my MacBook Pro downstairs when I'm doing anything when it comes to this camera. This camera is my A7 IV. I have the A7R5 for the photography, and if I need it, I got cameras. There's too many cameras. Can't keep track, but this one specifically, it fills up the gigabytes, so I need to address it. But anyway, like I was about to complete saying, when this thing is folded and you put your hand down on it, you've got layers. So I have an even amount of pressure when I'm doing it. That's why you don't want to like bunch the towel down. That's why you don't want to try to push your fingers like this. I mean, anyway, will it be catastrophic to your paint? Will it not? It all depends. Everybody's got their own viewpoint on things, but that's just how I do it. I like to fold, and in general, now you fold it, and how many sides do you have of usable towel? Each towel side. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can count like my son does now. He's in pre-K 3. Starts counting all over the place. He can go up to like, I don't know, 30, then he starts getting a little wonky, but there's not 30 sides, so we're good. He could count this. So anyway, this is what we got. This is the little takeover package. Let me take you in to this as close as I can get because I got a 50mm lens on this thing, so we got to be careful. But this is the takeover for this month. Again, Purist. These are the product instructions. So it tells you everything you need to know about the shampoo, the wheel cleaner, and the touchless spray sealant and gloss enhancer. So P1W1S3. That's what it is. You could pause, check it out. Definitely happy. This is why I like these glove boxes. This is why I will continue to get them and have them here and show you guys. This is a company that I never knew of. They're from Sweden. Sweden's got quality stuff in general. But anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly freaking appreciate you. This is the towel. We got another wash mitt, which I will keep because it's not, I would tell you guys, you know, usually I tell you like which product I'm not like likely to use. I probably am not likely to use protection and gloss outside of the wifey mobile. The wheel cleaner and iron remover for sure would use that on my vehicle, and the pH neutral shampoo, definitely. So 2 out of these 3 products I would use on my Escalade. The other one I would definitely use on the Telluride. Like I have a satin PPF, so for me, I don't like to put things that add gloss, specifically add gloss onto the paint often, if at all. So you got to be careful, but other than that, I can use pretty much anything. This is definitely a solid box. Every box has been solid. This is a good year so far, 2024. We're doing big things here. Anyway, I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Hopefully, I'm around for that. I got a lot of videos to film, and I'm probably going to burn myself right out. Fizzle, bye.